Alright, here is the welding of the Nissan pickup upper A arm or upper control arm mount, which I've installed right here. I used a computer hard drive magnet. These are very good, by the way. Great for doing exactly this. These cheapo Harbor Freight magnets suck. This is the way to go. So I'm going to try some welding. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my camera. This is how you fix this broken mount. Hopefully. Let's see how it works. I think I have it pretty good. Extend it a little bit. Get the other corner. Alright. I think that looks good. That's a good start. So what I'm going to do, I will give you a video when we're done. No need to look at this. Be back in a couple minutes. Oh, I can't turn it off with my gloves.